There are stars in the ceiling, and they are so beautiful. Now you fall, but where you landed is a riddle. I'm looking still. Maybe you're hiding beneath the pillow, and when I'm sleeping, you sleeping too. I wake up.
Excited? Okay, let's get this party started. Good evening, everyone. Let's have a toast to love, laughter, and little cakes. Before we begin, just a small announcement that today's event's gonna be in English, Gujarati, and Hindi. So please don't mind if you don't understand. Um, if you don't get it, please nudge the person next to you. And if they don't know either, well, best of luck to whoever don't understand.
And thank you all for being here. We feel so blessed with your presence, and you take your time to come here. That's truly grateful.
Let's start with some heartfelt thank yous. Dion and Kay, I can see them. Dion, thanks for opening this wonderful place and making our dream true. Appreciate that.
Now, pink or blue? Only Lisa have a clue. Where is Lisa?
Lisa, yeah, she's the only one who knows the gender today from all of us.
Thank
So,
you, Lisa, for making my dream come true.
We love the frame that you've decorated. Appreciate for that. I'll go with Mihir and Damu. This food smells really well. Love it. Thank you for arranging. Mihir, he's busy with the phone call. Yeah, always.
And now,
Thanks to Anup and team for arranging all this, and the DJ. Thanks for showing up at the end moment. Appreciate that.
and Mummy Papa for coming here from India. Our parents are here from India to support us to raise our kid. And thank you to our family who is watching us from India. We are really missing you.
Thank you to family, friends, colleagues. They say it takes a village to raise a kid well and safely, and we are lucky to have ours. You have been our chosen family through all this chaos, calm, and changes. This moment is much yours as it's ours. So appreciate all for being here. We both love you all. Whatever we are here, it's because of all your blessings and love. And my colleagues, the training, what you have given me, I appreciate that. And the team that I'm getting support now, appreciate to all of them, friends who have supported me in my hard times, me and Bhumi both, standing next to us all the time. Appreciate for that as well.
Thank you all of you for making this country making us feel like this country is our home country.
Today is not just about finding out whether we will be welcoming a little prince or princess. It's about celebrating the love, unity, chaos that brought us here. And being Bhumi with me, I have raised a woman. I have realized the women are superheroes. Truly, I mean, she is growing a whole human while still bossing me around like it's nothing. I love you. Thank you so much for being my life partner.
This pregnancy is like a roller coaster. One day I'm feeling like I'm doing best thing in this world, and then next day I'm feeling like I'm crying on the McDonald's fries because I want a fries and I can't get it. But thank you so much for being with me all the time and then support me throughout the journey.
Always there for you. Thank you. And now, before we begin this moment let's start this event right away with some speech from my mom and dad. They're gonna give it in Gujarati or maybe Hindi, I don't know. It's a surprise for me as well. So probably whoever don't understand, please, as I told before, nudge the person next to you. And if not, you still don't understand the person, whoever you are nudging it, well, best of luck again.
कोई नटखट दादी का आराम चुराने वाला है।
तोतली जुबान से दादू दादू सुनने अब सच होने वाला है। तो कभी हंसने कभी रुलाने मम्मी पापा की रातें जगाने वाला है। ये तो बस शुरुआत है। हम सबको नचाने वाला इस मामू को कोई नचाने वाला आने वाला है।
All right, there is a surprise performance from mom and dad for
बेटा हो या बेटी नहीं मन में कोई एक है कान्हा एक लक्ष्मी उनसे हमको प्रेम सबका है प्यारा वो माँ बाबा की जान उसकी मुस्कान पे दिल है ये कुर्बान तुम ही तो हो इस घर की अब शान फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है।
Now, let's start this event with some fun games. Because, to be honest, we are waiting for perfect moment for the reveal. So, until we wait, we can start with the fun games. And then, we'll have a...
once we'll start the games and then we'll look for the exact timing. We want a good sunlight, good photos of everyone. So until then, we'll have some fun with the games. So let's begin. First game, we'll start with passing the prize. Who is related to that? I'll start with first one and then everyone will have an idea of what's going on. So we are all here to celebrate mom to be, but let's pass this prize to the guest who have a child most recently. So from the guest who has a child recently? Pura? Recently,
Recently, who have a child?
how old is? 13th? What? 7th? 11. Oh, she is the close.
Oh, he is.
Oh, he is the close.
Just take it then.
Oh, pass that parcel to Amrit. Wait. Your birthday may have gotten you this treat, but now you must pass this prize to the adult with the smallest feet.
You got a number
With the adult with the smallest feet. She got the smallest feet.
No.
5, 4. Oh, 4. Please pass the parcel to her, Disha. You got this gift because your feet are smallest, but now pass this prize to the guest who is tallest.
Oh my God. Nah, part.
There? Oh, Ravi.
Not part.
What? 6?
6'2".
6'2".
Part.
No, 5'10". 6'3". Oh, Anu. Please pass the parcel to photographer. Wow, you are pretty tall, but this prize isn't yours. You must pass this prize. Yeah, that was a good run. You must pass this prize to the guest sitting closest to any door. Door, Simran? Oh no, the kitchen staff.
He's sitting.
He's standing. Simran, Arsh. Who wants it? Who wants it? Some of us were far and some of us were near. But now let's pass this prize to the guest who drove further to get here. Who drove further to get here?
India.
Morphewell? No, they fly. Who drove? Who drove? Who drove? Anyone? Englewell? Morphewell. That's Morphewell. Brooklyn Park? No. Morphewell? Anyone close to Morphewell?
Angle is close. Far or Moffat very good.
Far? Englewell? Englewell? Who? Did you draw? Oh, pass the parcel. What's your name, son? Jay. Well, thank you. You traveled so far, but you still haven't won. Pass it to the guest who have the youngest son. Youngest son.
Youngest son.
Maitri. Yeah.
Game is over.
Still there is few more to go. Boys are fun, but girls are also great. As Donna told, girls are a bit expensive, but they are still great. Yeah. Now pass this to the guest whose baby came super late. Super late.
Super late means more than 40 weeks.
More than 40 weeks. All
She came early.
Okay, keep it with yourself. કે બોલે તને જોઈએ છે જોઈએ છે હા બબલ્સ શું પ્રાઇસ જોઈએ કે બબલ્સ
Bubbles જોઈએ.
Bubbles?
Mama knows that. That's why.
grab bubbles there okay oh here you go
This is nothing better. This is nothing.
Now this prize is really up for bids. Pass this to the guest who has the most kids. Chetna Didi. One is about to come. We can't have you holding onto the prize for too long. So pass this to the first guest who's belts out a song. Who wants to sing a song?
Whoever sing that song, take this prize.
Whoever will sing the song, they will get the prize. Woo! Everyone, cheers for a photographer.
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा। छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are enjoying this silly little rhyme. Now pass this prize to the friend who knows Mama to be for the longest time.
Longest time.
Friend.
Dave, before he born, he knows me.
Overruled. We are almost done, but this isn't the end. Now pass this prize to the mom to be's newest friend. Newest friend that you would know. Who's your newest?
Simran. Simran is my newest friend. What about us?
Yes. I'm glad we all got to know each other a little bit more. I'm glad we all got to know each other a little bit more. Now pass it to the guest on your right, and now it's yours. Oh! Right. Tia?
Yeah, next to her.
No, next to her. Who was sitting there? Oh, Tia, yeah! Woo.
She is the winner.
She is the winner. You are the winner of that prize. Hope everyone enjoyed it. As we are playing the games, feel free to grab a food, make yourself comfortable, everyone. Now, we got one physical game. So who vote for a team girl? Please raise your hand. Team girl.
Oh my god.
Team girl? I would like you all to stand up and please come on this side.
You got some big boys.
Team girls. Team boys, please stand up and come on this side, or the other side. No. Let's. Team boy.
I've been reading books of old, Achilles and his blades, Achilles and his fall, Achilles and his blades. Fire lose control. She said, "Where'd you go? Where'd you go?" There's something I can do, somebody I can kiss, something just like this.
I always wanted to have a girl. Everyone was telling me that you are having a boy because of your
You have
cravings and then your
you got lower tummy.
low Every night he's checking my tummy. You got a lower tummy. I think you are having a boy, but yeah.
Yeah. Let's celebrate. Okay. Congratulations and celebrations. पहला हूँ खवड़ा मम्मी तू पकड़ और मम्मी पापा ने खवड़ा मम्मी पापा ने खवड़ा ना 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 खाई जाओ बिजी बिजी का तो खवड़ा दो मन खवड़ा दो मेरे मायता ने खवड़ा रही है એ મને મોટો ખવડાવશે. આખું ના મૂક્યો.
जीने का मजा रे, अरे दिल में तो गया रे, दिल भी गया रे, अरे दिल में तो गया रे, दिल भी गया रे, अरे दिल में तो गया रे, दिल भी गया रे, अरे दिल में तो गया रे, दिल भी गया रे। बेटी सगली मस्कारा मारे, वाह डीजे वाह।
चना थोड़ा कम थोड़ा पानी मिला, थोड़ा टेबल वेबल साफ कर देना यार, थोड़ा टेबल वेबल साफ कर देना यार। एक गणपत सपने में मिलती है और पूरी मेरी सपने में मिलती है। सारा दिन घूंघटे में सी, सारा दिन घूंघटे में बंद पुड़िया सी अखियों में खुलती है। होटल में खाए, कोई देख लेना हमें यहाँ।
काली काली आंखें, ये गोरे गोरे
नाच बसंती कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना। लेकिन हम तो सुअर हैं, हमारे सामने तो नाचेगी। नाच रे नाच।
पापा से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है।
दिल से दिल मिल गया, मुझसे कैसी है हया। ऐसा लगे कि दिल बात अंबर पे बिजली कड़के। बढ़ता ही जाए चांदी की डाल पर सोने का मोर, सोने का मोर करे नीचे का जोड़। चांदी की डाल पर सोने का। Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. I feel kids, but we're so in love. Against all odds, I know we'll be alright. Darling, just hold my hand. We're gonna be alright. See the future in the light. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
હા ભાભી સાથે કપલ નહીં સોરી ના અલોન બર્થડે તમારે પહેલા તમે પછી ભાભી એનિવર્સરી નથી હા પહેલા તમે ભાઈ ડાન્સર છે ગમે તે ડાન્સ કરે